So what's up guys, Sam here and I'm back with another top Android apps, this time for the month of November. So without further ado, let's get started. So first up today we have AllinOne Toolbox, and I want to give a big shout out to these guys as they are sponsoring today's video. And as you guys know, I don't often have sponsors for my videos, but when I do, it's because I genuinely believe in the product. So do me a favor and check out their app in the description below. But this app, as the name suggests, is an all-in-one tool for keeping your smartphone clean and clutter-free. Not only can you free up storage space using this app, but you can also speed up slow performance, extend battery life, organize installed apps, manage stored files, and it even offers privacy protection too. Perhaps my favorite feature though is the one-tap junk cleaner, which when activated scans your phone for all those useless files like app caches, residual files, empty folders, and any app leftover files super fast, and then lets you remove them all from your phone with one single tap. I know I too often install and uninstall a bunch of apps which leave behind stacks of residual files that just eat into my phone's storage. In fact, when I first installed this app, the phone clocked 1.8 gigabytes of unnecessary data, which I was able to reclaim with one click, and so this is a great solution for that. There's actually a ton more features that are super cool, and on top of all that, it has a super sleek and clean UI as well as functionality. So even if these guys weren't sponsoring this episode, I would still tell you to absolutely go and check this app out. Next up, we have FlatUI for Zuppa, which as the name would indicate is a Zuppa Widget Pro app. And this is a relatively new widget app which provides a set of really unique, super clean and minimal widgets that will complement nearly any setup you install them on. As you can see, there are a wide variety of different styled widgets to select from, but every single one of them have that common flat look to them. There's also a bunch of unique pixel-styled search bars, so if you dig the Pixel Launcher look and functionality but want to make it your own, then this widget app is for you. There's honestly not a lot more that I can say, but I definitely recommend checking out this app and exploring the different options yourself. After that, we have Outfolded, a minimalist, endless puzzle game in which you have to unfold a bunch of shapes, thereby allowing you to reach your goal. You know this game is on about relaxation when it prompts you at the start of each game to slow down, relax, and take your time, which I think is such a super unique approach from a game developer, and I absolutely love it. The game also makes sure to tell you that you have an infinite amount of undos, which is said to remind you to relax and just enjoy the game. On top of the relaxing gameplay of this app, the graphics and soundtrack are yet again another standout feature for me. Everyone who knows me knows that games need to have the complete package of good gameplay, solid graphics, and an entertaining soundtrack in order to make this list, and this game easily has all three. Whilst I love addictive games, I also have a big soft spot for games that don't make you feel like you have to finish them then and there, and this game definitely falls into this category. Definitely check Outfolded out if and when you get the chance. Now, if you would consider yourself a movie buff or even just love watching movies, then Cinematix may just be for you. This is like an all-in-one hub for finding detailed information on your favorite movies, TV shows, and actors, and is basically like IMDb but on steroids. Not only does it give you the general basic information for a movie such as a plot outline, release date, and the cast and crew, but it also lets you see the budget, the box office gross, a bunch of trailers and behind the scenes clips from a wide variety of sources, critic reviews, and then a list of similar movies and other movies by the same creators. The homepage actually allows you to select movies based on what is currently playing in your location, as well as upcoming films, popular films, top-rated films, plus what's newly released on Netflix and a bunch of other categories too. From there, you can head into the side menu and jump over to the Discover page, which allows you to search for movies either by name, genre, release date, or actor. On top of all of this app has a super clean design and feel to it that makes searching for your favorite movies and TV shows a breeze. As much as I love IMDb, Cinematix has the one-up in terms of packing in as much information as possible into a super clean UI. The next app on our list today is a super popular one, but I just had to include it, and it's a language education app dubbed Duolingo. So if you don't already know, Duolingo takes learning another language including English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Dutch, Swedish, plus heaps more, and makes it not only fun but also visually appealing too. So in order to learn any particular language, Duolingo structures this so that you play a game to start getting familiar with words in that language, and then from there you answer questions and complete lessons in order to improve and develop your vocabulary and grammar. In addition, just as you would with a fitness app, when you first install Duolingo, you begin by by creating a profile in which you tell the app how quickly you want to progress in your learning. You start by learning basic verbs, phrases, and sentences, and each day gives you a new set of words to learn. On top of the fact that this app has millions of active users and is highly rated with the Google Play Store page, suggesting that 34 hours of Duolingo are equivalent to a semester of university level education, what's even more is that this app is actually absolutely free. In my mind, that is ridiculous, and if you haven't at least had a crack at learning a new language, then I definitely recommend downloading this app and giving it a go. Next up, we have Time Turner, a time travel based puzzle game in which you attempt to solve a range of difficult puzzles, allowing you to then rise through the levels. What makes this game unique is that you actually have to coordinate with your past moves in the game to solve each puzzle. So for example, I may move my character around a particular level, and then when I land on a tesseract, the game will rewind a cloned version of myself back to the start of that level that will replicate my previous moves with the same timing too. So this will come into play perhaps when a level requires a toggle to be held down, and so you must navigate your first character's turn so that when the level rewinds, your past character will end up holding that switch for you. It's a super crazy yet awesomely cool approach, and it definitely makes this game stand out. On top of that, this game is beautifully designed with a wickedly eerie soundtrack, and the gameplay is downright soothing. As well as this, there's actually a really cool storyline of revenge and hope that follows through the entire game, and so without a doubt, I absolutely dig this app, and I think you will too. Following that, we have an icon pack that I actually featured in the first episode of the best Nova Launcher setups, which I'll have linked in the description below, but this is the Simpad icon pack, which was just too good not to include in this video. Firstly, this app has a lot, and I mean a lot of icons, which is absolutely great. Secondly, every single one has this cleverly designed, unique look to them that is both visually impressive and even somewhat minimal. Trust me, I've used a lot of icon packs, and I'm never a big fan of packs that don't have uniformity, but believe it or not, Simpad is now the icon pack that I use in my daily setup, and that means a lot. This icon pack is the perfect balance between minimal and sophisticatedly unique, and is worth every penny of those 99 cents. This app is without a doubt a worthwhile investment, so definitely check it out. And finally today we have fabulous Motivate Me, which is a health and fitness app aimed at getting you reaching goals in a super relaxing, easygoing way. Now, whilst I might not love the name of this application, this isn't actually just a fitness app where you set up some weight loss goals and work out every single day. It's actually more so designed at giving you more energy and helping you feel more healthy, getting better sleep, and it does help with weight loss too. And it does this by introducing healthier habits subtly into your life. So for example, the first 3 days are all about making sure you simply consume water first thing after you wake up. After that, it starts encouraging you to eat a super healthy breakfast, and then following that, it starts introducing some short exercises into your daily routine. And that's all only associated to helping you feel more energized. There's other programs as well that help you to sleep better, to focus and concentrate more, to building self-discipline, as well as plenty of others. If you're the sort of person who's finding yourself in a bit of an unhealthy rut and you've tried time and time again to get a leg up on feeling healthy and energized but have found yourself failing, then perhaps this app might be worthwhile giving a try. But anyway, there you have it guys, a bunch of apps that I know you'll find plenty of use in, and I reckon you'll get a kick out of downloading and trying out too. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, feel free to leave a thumbs up, but aside from that, thanks heaps for watching, and I will catch you guys later.